Alright, Mama's got to clean this pee off. Oh, no. No, we're not playing, boys. Mommy's got to clean off the pee. Hey! No. This is very hard. I'll send you over there. No. No. How am I going to get this pee cleaned up? Huh? How am I supposed to get this pee cleaned up? Does anyone see my dilemma? Oh, is it fun? Yeah, we're not out here to have fun. Oh, we're cleaning up pee. We're cleaning up Sabre's pee. Oh, Sabre. What is going on with you two? Huh? What is going on with you two? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness sakes. You're getting Mama wet. Oh, jeez. Oh. Alright, well, I guess that's we're gonna get to pee. Huh? Is that as good as it gets? Oh, you two are just waiting. Oh. Yeah, I know. And I know that you jump high, Sabre, but we gotta get that one way over there too. Oh. Oh, jeez. All right. That's enough, boys.